Right, I'm going to solve this equation, this modulus function equation, in two different ways. I'm going to split these into two separate videos. Okay, so the first one I'm going to show you is a graphical method. So first of all, I need to be able to sketch y is equal to 2x plus 4, the absolute value of that, okay, the modulus. So I'm going to draw myself a pair of axes first. Okay, nice and straight as ever. Right, I'm going to change colour. Okay. Now, in order to do this, I'm first going to imagine what the line 2x plus 4 looks like. Okay, well, 2x plus 4 looks something like this. It does actually keep going below the x-axis, okay, but I'm not really too concerned with that, because ultimately what's going to happen when it hits the x-axis, it's going to shoot off like so. Okay, so I was able to draw that initial line because I knew it was going through 4 on the x-axis, on the y-axis, sorry. I knew it was positive gradient. Okay, so that's what it's going to look like. So what I can do is I can get rid of this bit because I don't need that. Okay, I don't need that on my sketch. Now, this point, okay, this point where it's touching the x-axis is when y is equal to 0. Effectively when 2x plus 4 is equal to 0. So that is when 2x is equal to minus 4, and that's when x is equal to minus 2. So that point is minus 2. So what this question is asking me is, where does the graph of the modulus of 2x plus 4 intersect y is equal to 2? Now the line y is equal to 2 looks something like this. Okay, so you can see that it's going to intersect at two separate points, one here and one here, and that's where it's cutting at 2. Okay, so what I do is I go, right, okay, well the intersection here, this one, is 2x plus 4 is equal to 2. Okay, because it's where the line 2x plus 4 would have equaled 2. So 2x is equal to minus 2, and x is equal to minus 1. Okay, so that gives me one of the intersection points. It gives me this one, which looks correct on our graph, because it's got to be between minus 2 and 0 anyway. Now to find the other point, that is slightly more complicated, because we've got to think about what is the equation of this line. Well, the equation of this line is actually minus 2x minus 4. Okay? Because ultimately, if I continued this line, it would be intersecting the y-axis at minus 4. It's a mirror image of the original. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to make sure that you're changing the signs of each of the terms inside the modulus bracket. Okay, so minus 2x minus 4 is equal to 2. So minus 2x is equal to 6. So x is equal to minus 3. So the two solutions to this equation are x is equal to minus 1 and x is equal to minus 3.